Hey everyone, welcome back to another Telegram tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete contacts on Telegram. Whether you're cleaning up your contact list or simply want to remove someone, I'll guide you through the steps. First things first, you should know that when you delete your contact on your phone, it will be automatically deleted on your Telegram app. So, what you're going to need to do is open your contacts app and simply delete or remove the contact list that you want to remove. Scroll through your contact list and find the contact you want to delete. Once you're on their profile, simply go to Edit and go to Delete Contact. Tap on it. And that's all there is to it. Deleting contacts for Telegram is simple and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.